Are you trying to connect your Bose speakers to your Samsung Galaxy phone? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how. And it's quite simple. All we need to do is go ahead and go into Settings. So we're going to swipe up, and then we're going to go into Settings. Now from Settings, go ahead and hit Connections. Now then, from there, we're going to hit Bluetooth. Now, by the way, this is a S25 Ultra. You might have a 26 or older version. It will work the same. And so all we need to do then is go ahead. Let's turn on the Bose speaker.
Battery 50%. Connected to. Rename me anything.
So as you can see, the Bose is already connected to a couple other devices. What we're going to want to do is put it in pairing mode. And so you simply just hold down.
Ready to connect another device. QAI phone. Disconnected. Rename me anything. Disconnected.
Now once we get here, it's disconnected with the other devices. We're going to see if it pops up under available devices. It says no devices found. So I'm going to have you turn off Bluetooth and go ahead and turn it back on, and hopefully it will connect. It may take a little bit of time. Now if it doesn't connect, oh, there we go. I was going to say, if it doesn't connect, you might need to do a hard reset on the Bluetooth of the Bose speaker, and then it might pop up. But it's already popped up, so from here, all we need to do is go ahead and click that. It will ask you if you want to pair. Go ahead, press pair.
Connected to
And then
S25 Ultra.
And then it always, like all the new apps and devices, always ask you for all your contacts and stuff. I'm going to put deny. Now, it is now connected, so you can go ahead and now use your Samsung Galaxy, play music, watch videos, movies, and it will come out of your Bose speaker. All right, so I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.